Okay, alright, do you want to hold these?
Yeah. I'll video you falling off. I'm done anyway. Nice. We're in, let's go. Someone does.
Yeah. Okay, so basically this is like, this part here, this is like pretty hidden. There's like a car park there, but no one can really see you from there. Then now down here is like sort of like,
Well, that's not good.
I don't think that's someone, I think it's just the wind.
You sure?
Yeah,
Like 100%.
pretty sure. After you. Oh, this one's a dead end, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's where we found the, it's like down here, this is where we found like documents like about injuries and stuff. This is like a power drill manual. Yeah, this is just like rubbish. Okay. So now, yeah. Be careful, there's like a nail there, but yeah, this used to be open. That's where we were gonna go in, but it's closed now.
Alright, so I don't want to go the other way.
No, you won't need to go all the way.
If we don't like it.
Oh, stop! It's actually.
Oh, tag? Where's your tag on here?
Oh,
Alright, let's go on the right, because that window's creeping me out.
this one.
It's so pitch black in there.
Which one?
That one, right there. Wouldn't that...
Wait, turn your torch off. Yeah, okay, now that's your torch.
Yeah, I thought it was a car.
Hello?
After you. Sure you want to do this?
Oi, we're in the building now. If you want to beat us up. Okay, I want to take this bag off.
That's the entrance, right? Bathroom. Do you want to go back?
No, let's keep him going.
Do you want to go down here?
Yeah. Well, do you want to hold the camera for a bit?
Do you want to go back?
That's me.
You go forward, I'll go back.
Yeah. Where do you want to go?
Go, go.
Yeah.
Is this all it is?
No, there should be more.
Oh, this is reception. Well, the electrical stuff. These are the VHS tapes. Are these VHS tapes?
Yeah, no. There's no way through here.
Huh?
Oh, I think this is the fastest way out.
Out?
Oh, come here. It's down here.
out of the whole thing.
Yeah, if you want. These are the keys.
Oh, the stairs.
Yeah. Yeah, no. Oh, what was that? Was that you?
That was me. I was like,
Oh, okay. Okay, you want to watch back?
oh, but that's downstairs, right? No, I wouldn't say it.
Yeah, okay, here. Oh, here. That was me. It's actually...
I fucking swear, it looks like a horror movie. All the noises. Shit, is that a soda, babe? Oh no.
What is it?
It looks like someone's been here. I think we should like get out.
Yeah, no, that's here.
All those chairs. Is that how you get out, or?
Yeah, down here. Right down here. Hey, right down here. Yeah, no, let us go.
Those are the VHS tape. Toilets.
Yeah, okay, let's just get some fresh air, bro. Okay, so is that slide?
I don't want to go down there.
Right.
Just looking at. I feel like a vlogger right now, right on your face.
Hello, what's poppin', boys? Oh, there's another open window.
Oh, there's a door right there. That's probably the basement. We could go. Nah, it's. I wouldn't go through this bush. Get pretty itchy.
Oh.
So we just. Oh yeah, your light's actually good. You can actually see it without putting the light in.
Okay.
What if something went wrong now? You'd have to literally. I can see you just doing that down it and then getting stuck halfway.
You go really fast down this.
Really?
Yeah.
It's getting a bit cold.
Okay, I'm gonna send my bag down. Yeah, okay.
That's nice. If it was wet, I wouldn't.
You coming down?
Yeah, I'll video you go and then I'll go down with the camera. Have a good POV.
Okay. Oh no, this is so fast, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
You're gonna hurt your legs on that Oh, there's no like. Oh, never mind. Look at the VH.
Yeah.
Wait, watch how you don't go into that water right there.
What?
Well, there's like a little thing that there's VHS tapes. Just go, it's
Are
fine.
you ready?
Yeah, I got you. Go, Henry, go. Go. Alright, ready? Is it good? I'll throw your camera down.
It's actually quite...
That's actually sick. What do you reckon that was used for? A legit slide or?
Well, I don't know.